right, GBMC, this is the video to find the winner of my Bart Starr full-size rep with the Super Bowl 1 and 2 inscription. So we will check the time November 4th at 11:47 a.m. I'm going to go over to the raffle and type live. And we have November 4th at 12:47 on here. So we have a difference with the with daylight savings, because it actually is 11:47, but on Facebook it's still saying 12:47. So that's the difference in time there. So don't think anything's up. There's the list of our 60 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 7. All right, 7 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Kevin. Spot 26 is your winner. So Kevin, please get with me to collect your star. There is our verification code. Our timestamp, once again, November 4th, 11:48 a.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.